currently heading out now to check Aldi. What the fuck? Okay, let's go back. I hate this. Oh, they're having the house for auction. Look at that. Anyway, I'm heading out now to Aldi and then to Dawn, because yeah, I'll be getting some files and doing some errands right now. It's Friday night. Maybe a lot of checkpoints on the road, but yeah, everything should be alright. So yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging nonsense right now. Nonsense. So I'll be trying to do vlogs right now. Help me. Okay. So I just arrived here at Shelton, at Sunshine West, so I'm gonna meet Aldian and Darwin. I need to get some stuff from them. And it's a bit windy now, and it's cold. I'm not wearing any jacket. I'm wearing my Torjan shirt. This has a lot of history. Anyway, I need to get it tied.
My advice. They say as you grow older, keep holding each other's hand. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, please be upstanding and raise your glasses to this absolutely gorgeous, incredible bride, and absolutely incredible groom as well, to Nikita and Chris Bars. Congratulations, you two, all the very best. Cheers, everyone. Cheers.
Alright, everyone, let's all take a seat and strap in. The man of the hour.
Fucking Mavic Air. I hate this. I just hate it. Oh well. Fucking hell, this thing is so small. Mavic Air. I'm in an event. So, anyway, I gotta put this back on the case. Apparently Darwin has a Mavic Air, and yeah, suyako. Anyway, I still love my Mavic Pro, and I need to go home now. I need to go to Don's place and give the stuff to him.